Yeah, night. Night. Oh my days. That is not normal. Mate, I know. Why is he snoring so loud? No idea. Finally, he stopped. Quick, let's try and get to sleep. I can't sleep when he's snoring this loud. Neither can I. And he said he doesn't snore. I know. Just shut up!